How to test your Android phone before buying it and see whether it is working properly or not. So you need to go to Play Store and you need to download one application which is CPUX. So this is the application CPUX by ABSUT. So after installing it, just open this application. You will see everything, all the information about the app like CPU, system, all model number, battery level, everything you can see, network, sensor, camera, you can check everything. At the last you can see phone function test. You can see I have tested everything. For example, let me check the display test. You can start. It will change the colors. uh, Everything will be done for me. You can just keep on touching and it will change the display, and you can check like vibration settings. If you can feel vibration, you can click on right. You can check Bluetooth volume up and down button from here, and you can check everything. Then check you can check other like headset, Wi-Fi, everything you can check from here. You can say test successful. So everything you can check all the function of your phone, and after doing that, make sure to check everything properly and use this application before buying any phone. So I have friends, now you will be able to do it. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button, also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.